We're already halfway through 2024, and I can say that within 6 months, we've seen a lot of budget smartphones with capable features, nice designs, chipsets, battery, and of course, the price. Just to keep note, these devices are within our price budget for this list at the time we're recording this. Hey guys, CJ here. Let's check these smartphones under 8K that won't punch a hole in your pocket. Let's dive in. Starting off the list is the itel RS4. We all know itel is known for offering smartphones that are friendly to our wallet, and this gaming-centric machine can deliver. The itel RS4 shows a 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate which can manually adjust. This unit comes in 3 colorways: elegant beige, silvery white, and lurex black, each of which features different design and back panel patterns. At the rear, the cameras consist of a 50-megapixel camera and an AI sensor along with the LED flash. The itel RS4 uses a dual nano SIM and a micro SD card slot for extension. And what's great about it is its dual speakers and the fact that it has a 3.5mm audio port. It has a USB Type-C port for charging and has 45-watt charging support. This comes in 2 variants: 8GB of RAM with additional 8GB of MEMS fusion, giving you a total of up to 16GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. The other config comes with 12GB of RAM plus 12GB of MEMS fusion this time, with 256GB of internal storage. Powering the device is a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, along with a 5000 mAh battery. All this comes with a starting price of 6,299 pesos. Plugging in, we got a full review here on the YouTube channel, and you might want to check that out. On to the next one, we have the Xiaomi Redmi A3. Among the phones in this list, the Redmi A3 has the biggest display, with a 6.71-inch HD Plus IPS LCD and up to 90Hz refresh rate. The glass display is protected by its Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and houses a 5-megapixel selfie camera and a dewdrop notch. At the back, the A3 has a variety of textured panels in different colorways, along with the camera module that houses the 8-megapixel main shooter and the auxiliary lens. Biometrics-wise, the power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. The SIM slot does have a dedicated tray space for 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card, which can hold up to 1TB and has 4G LTE connectivity. A MediaTek Helio G36 powers this device, which carryovers from its predecessor. It packs a 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt charging support that goes with the Type-C port while running on Android 14. The Redmi A3 is priced at 3,399 pesos for the base model of 3GB plus 64GB variant, while the 4GB plus 128GB is at 3,999 pesos. ZTE Philippines launched the Nubia V60 Design last May. And what do you get with a smartphone priced at 5,999 pesos? The Nubia V60 Design features a 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS display with support of 90Hz refresh rate. It's configured with 4GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, but it does have a micro SD card support. It holds a 50-megapixel main shooter along with a 2-megapixel auxiliary sensor and an AI camera. For selfies, it has an 8-megapixel dewdrop notch at front. The Nubia V60 Design is powered by a Unisoc T606 and packs a 5000 mAh battery with 22.5-watt support of fast charging. The unit comes in champagne gold, sunrise violet, and dark blue, all for 6K. Another phone to consider on the list is the budget-friendly Vivo Y03. The unit shows off its 6.56-inch HD Plus LCD display with 90Hz of refresh rate. It comes in gem green with a glossy back panel and space black in a matte finish. It carries a 5-megapixel selfie shooter, while at the rear, it has a 13-megapixel main shooter and auxiliary lens. It can hold 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card that can support up to 1TB of storage. This smartphone has a MediaTek Helio G85 processor with Hyper-Engine gaming technology. The Vivo Y03 is configured with 4GB of RAM and has either 64GB or 128GB of internal storage, and packs a 5000 mAh battery with 15W of fast charging. The Vivo Y03 starts at a selling price of 3,999 pesos through their official website, Shopee, and Lazada. And lastly, The newly arrived smartphone that made onto our list is the Nubia Magic. This phone sports a 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS screen with a refresh rate of 90Hz. It's powered by a Unisoc SC9863A chipset with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The device has two designs, Pop Art and Zeal Orange. It's headlined by a 50-megapixel main and AI lens while having a 5-megapixel selfie camera. What stands out here is that it has two 3.5mm audio ports and a speaker fitted with DTS-X Ultra audio that offers 600% more volume than the average smartphone. This unit packs a 5000 mAh battery life and runs on Android 14 OS. The Nubia Magic is available for 5,999 pesos through Shopee. All featured smartphones on this list will be linked below. So, what do you think of our list of smartphones under 8K? Which among these would you get? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm CJ, and I hope to catch you again in the next video. Bye!